Hi everybody, how are you all? So this is Suhani Ahlawat and today we are going to start with another topic, that is crop production and management, guys. So this is a very important topic to be studied, guys. So what do you know about crop production and management? What do you know about what do you know about the crop production and management, guys? What you know about this thing? Oh, can you wait for a while, guys? I just let me small down the size. Okay, so what do you know by crop production and management? That simply means that simply means that okay, that particular thing simply means that you are doing agriculture. Am I right? It simply means to do agriculture. Okay, it simply means to do agriculture, guys. So without wasting the time, let us move forward toward the next page. So agriculture first, nomads. Okay, so first important thing to you to study in this topic is about the nomads. Okay, about the nomads. Okay, you have to study about the nomads. Okay, so who are the nomads? Nomads were the tribal peoples. Who were the nomads? Nomads were the tribal. They were the tribal peoples. Okay, they were the tribal peoples. So what they did is, when nomads used to do hunting, right? Nomads used to do hunting. So when they hunt for the food, so population of human beings. Okay, population of humans being population of human beings start increasing day by day. Okay, population of human beings start increasing day by day, and population of animals which they hunt. Okay, वो एनिमल्स को हंट करते थे, ऑब्वियसली वो एनिमल्स को क्या करते थे, हंट करते थे, तो ऑब्वियसली उनकी जो पॉपुलेशन है वो इंक्रीज या डिक्रीज होगी, ऑब्वियसली. सो व्हाट हैपन, आफ्टर सम टाइम दे गॉट रियलाइज दैट हमें ये नहीं करना चाहिए, वी डू नॉट हैव टू डू दिस लाइक दैट. सो उनने तब जाके एग्रीकल्चर का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम एग्रीकल्चर forms. Okay, so now let we study about crops. Okay, let we study about crops. So what are crops, guys? What are crops? Tell me that what are crops. So tell me that what are crops in the comment section below. Fast, you have 5 seconds. Okay, you have 5 seconds until the time you have to pause the video. Okay, you have to pause the video. Okay, so now what what is crop? Let me tell you, crops are the when plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place. When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated on a large scale is called a crop. So what is a crop? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Okay, so there are three types of crop, guys. In our book there is only given the two types of crops. The two types of crops are given in the book are kharif crop and rabi crop. What are the crops? Kharif crops and the rabi crops. So let me tell you that what are kharif crops and what are rabi crops, guys. So what are the kharif crops? The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crop. Rainy season, हम इसको एक और नाम दे सकते हैं, we want then, that is monsoon season. Okay, monsoon crops हम इनको क्या कहते हैं, हम इसको एक एडिशनल नाम दिया है हमने, हम इसको मॉनसून क्रॉप भी कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं, एक और चीज़ हम क्या कहते हैं इनको, मॉनसून क्रॉप्स. ओके, I I hope you are making the notes side by side. And one important thing to tell you, you will be very happy to know that at the end of the video, I will be going to provide you the handwritten notes. Okay, I am going to provide you handwritten notes of this particular video. Okay, so we are going to provide you each and every notes at each and every video, so please watch our videos. Okay, and subscribe Suhani and Pavitra all round us, guys. So without wasting the time, let us move further. The crops which are sown in the rainy season are kharif crops. That means हम उनको और क्या कहते हैं, monsoon crops. अब उनके example हैं paddy. What are the examples? Examples are paddy, maize, soyabean, groundnut, cotton, etc. So मैक्सिमम, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा या फिर कम से कम, मिनिमम आपको 3 नाम इसके याद करने हैं. यू हैव टू रिमेंबर अबाउट द 3 एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर 3 एग्जाम्पल्स. ओके, ऑफ खरीफ क्रॉप. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द 3 एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ खरीफ क्रॉप? दैट आर paddy, maize, soybean. Okay, you have to there are given 5 examples in this. You have to just learn, or you have to minimum learn the three. Okay, you have to learn minimum 3 examples, right? So let us moving further with the rabi crops now. Rabi crops, the crops that are grown in the winter seasons are called rabi crops. Okay, the crops which are grown in the winter season, the crops which are sown in the winter season, which are grown in the winter season, are called rabi crops. Okay, for example, let us take the help of example. So what are the example of rabi crop? That is wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed, etc. Okay, wheat, gram, pea, mustard, linseed, etc. So I told you that you have to remind, or you have to means make in a mind, fit in your mind, that you have to remember the 3 names. You have to remember 3 names. That is the minimum. Okay, you have to minimally remind the 3 names in your mind, right? So this is about the rabi crop. Okay, guys, this is rabi crops. Now let us move further with the third type of crop that is not given in your book. So the third crop, let me tell you what is the third crop. Okay, let me tell you what is the third crop. Okay, so third crop is zad crop. Okay, third crop is zad crop. ZAID CROP, crop. Zad crop. Okay, what is the last one? That is zad crop. So we used to say them what? जैसे कि खरीफ. व्हाट इज द अदर नेम ऑफ खरीफ क्रॉप? खरीफ क्रॉप का अदर नाम क्या था? दैट वाज खरीफ क्रॉप अदर नेम वाज, व्हाट वाज द अदर नेम ऑफ खरीफ क्रॉप? टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. What was the kharif crop other name? That was rainy crop, or we can say monsoon crop. What was that of the other one, kharif and rabi? What was the rabi crop? Rabi crop was known as winter crops. Okay, so now what are that crop known as? Maybe you will be thinking in your mind. So let me tell you that they are the summer crops, guys. They are the summer crops. Okay, they are grown in the summer season. And what are the examples? So I am telling you, for this it is not that much necessary, so I am going to tell you only the 2 examples for this, and 1 example you have to tell me in the comment section, right? So that is cucumber and watermelon. Okay, so what is the last one? That is cucumber and watermelon. I think you are able to see it. Okay, so now without wasting the time, let me tell you that this is for today's class, and we will be now at the end of the video you will be going to get its handwritten notes. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, and there are the face-to-face videos too for this chapter. We are going to make it also, and there are more videos of the more chapters in the in the video section. where I am explaining you all the things on the whiteboard. So you must watch that videos too. That is also very beneficial, and you can make your written notes too at from that video. Okay, so please subscribe my channel, and if you want to see a live session, if you want to take a live session and a quiz, okay, and a quiz in the from the live chat, so please subscribe my channel and comment below in you can comment in any video. Sometime comments session are turned off, but you can comment in any video. I will surely be going to make a live session on this chapter, live quiz, etc. in live chat. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye guys, stay home, stay safe, don't go out. Okay, bye, thank you.